What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Beerents Garage. I'm Beerent, or Brent. So today I'm going to work on the Mustang. I got some parts coming for the Victory. For those of y'all that like to see that, I'm trying to figure out who likes to see what and when, and well, you know, we're gonna make this channel grow, damn it. It's a fun little hobby of mine, and I enjoy doing it. We got the Victory cross country, 2019 Mustang GT, the 1973 Chevy C10 Twinkie, and my daily, the 2006 Ford Super Duty F250. So today I'm gonna install this. What on earth is that? No, some of y'all know, some people know what, you know, you Mustang fanatics know what this is. If you've got an MT-82 car, 6-speed, I'm hearing you need this thing. I've experienced some third gear lockout, and while I know this won't fix it altogether, I read I need a clutch, I read I need a short throw shifter, I need this, I need that. I'm gonna try $30 first. So let's go get the car jacked up and get this thing installed pretty quick, because we're losing light. So to install this bracket, we got to take out that cross member right there. Take out that bolt, them two bolts over there, and them bolts there. Nuts, I guess. Here. It's 18 and 15. I'm just gonna go 15 done. On the money. Thanks, girls. See you parts. We're gonna do this. Oh, I know I did not mention. Need to pour transmission jack or something. Let's see. We're in. Let's go ahead and take out those nuts. Alright, go grab another screw for this. There we go. Alright, cross it down. Wow. Alright, I'm sure plenty of y'all know the old Mustang here. Not this Mustang, but the Mustangs in general. Here is the actual frickin' problem. And this mount really is absolute crap for it. I don't understand why they've been using the same mount for as long as they have. But we're gonna go put some grease on that bushing and get it put in. I heard talk of a center hole being drilled. It's a 1/2-inch hole. We're gonna go ahead and do it. I don't know if it does any good or not, but we're gonna try it. Alright, we are back, and it says to install it from the front side. Alright, so I got my 1/2-inch hole in there, like it says it's supposed to have. I don't know if it's folklore or if that's an actual thing, but we're gonna put it in. I greased it up with some WD-40, and you are supposed to put it in from the front side. I'm not sure if it matters that you actually do that or not. But I'm just following the instructions. I can tell you, it is in fact a tight fit. The outside parts aren't a big deal. Oh, okay, you can get in there. It's just got to get that lube worked in there pretty good. Okay. So that's supposed to be it. Oh damn, hell yeah, that's a lot. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I mean, that's way more stiff. I'm sure you don't want it 100% stiff, but that's a good thing right there. Get that all pushed through. Oh, I see, you couldn't put it in from the back side to begin with. He's right here in the way. Okie dokie. Let's throw that cross member back on, and we'll be all set. That actually is a very easy install. Very easy. Push that up. Get these started. We're gonna take it for a drive tomorrow, see how she feels. I will take how long. You can like, I guess my impressions, I don't know. I mean, obviously it comes with Mustang crap. This happens to be my favorite car, of course. I definitely know Mustang around. Check crap about them. I'm running though. I don't know why I can read up there. I tell you, that Mustang S550 group on Facebook, man, there's a bunch of ridiculous people on there. Roasted cheers, man. You got an ego boost. You got an ego boost. Enjoy it. Alright, that's tight. That's tight. Tighten all these up. I'll speed this up or something. That's really tight. Alrighty. She's ready to go now. Let's do this. Alright. So here we are with it installed. I'm just running through the gears real quick. It doesn't feel a whole lot tighter. I guess maybe a touch smoother. Of course I need to go drive it, but I know from going from here right to here, I've had a lockout 2 times. It was quite surprising to me in a car that only has, you know, under 2,000 miles on it. I don't remember what mileage that actually occurred, but it was quite disconcerting to me, to be honest. But I wanted to give this Whiteline transmission bushing a shot before I got like the Blowfish racing bracket or the an MGW short shifter. But MGW Barton, I don't know which one I'm gonna get. I'll eventually get one. But I don't know, we'll take her for a drive here and see what we think. Oh, right off the bat, that feels pretty positive. That feels pretty good. We do have brand new tires on here, and yes, Jesse, you're right. We will have to take it easy because they spin freaking everywhere. People vlog like this. This is crazy. We're gonna take this on a quick little ride, see how we're shifting and stuff. I don't know. So I would come up here to this light, turn right, and just kind of mash on it, and it would full on lock up in 3rd gear. Definitely can't include this. It does feel a bit more solid. I do feel a bit more vibration in the shifter as I've heard. I don't know if that little 1/2-inch hole helped or not, but I don't know, we'll see. And you're going left anyways. Freeway right now. I just got screwed by traffic. Thanks, light. Gear chirps. Holy crap a moly. That's pretty good. Yeah, we definitely do not want to get on the interstate right now, I'll tell you that much. know, man. The shifter feels pretty decent. Let's see where this road takes us. So I ain't never done this before. Freaking awesome. That is freaking awesome. It hooks. What's up, y'all? Just wanted to say, if you're considering a short throw shifter or the blowfish racing bracket, give this bushing a shot. It's obviously a super easy install. I would recommend it personally, especially for the money. For 30 bucks, you can try it. You can have it, honestly, you can honestly have it in probably about, with, you know, jacking up the car, letting it down, all that good stuff. Probably about 20 to 25 minutes, maybe half hour, let's just call it that. For the money, and, you know, I don't want to spend $500 on a short throw shifter, even though I'm going to at some point. But to me, it's worth the money. Give it a shot, give it a try, and if you already have one, give me a comment. Let me know how you like it. I honestly, I really enjoy the crap out of it. It was a worthwhile upgrade to me. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing, and thank you and have a great night.